$10 to this boy handle.
And he toast me yesterday. Oh.
So, brethren, before we lay our lovely brother to final rest, is there anybody here that has a testimony?
Okay. Daddy, I get testimony. I see Jesus. I see Jesus. Me and Jesus, we drink tea and bread and get bread together. Jesus asked me, who are you? I said, I'm a Chusi. I'm a Chusi. Then Jesus said, go to the end. Tell my people, I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming.
Jesus!
I am coming. Yes.
It's okay.
2 times dying.
Daddy,
Who are you?
I'm a Chusi.
I am a chosen one.